Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a quick action bar here in Wix. All right. Normally, you'd be able to see that option in the mobile view or the mobile version of your website. All right. Right here at the bottom right, usually. Okay. So if ever you have enabled it right here, click on it. Here we have the action bar or quick action bar. Now in here, when you click on it, you have the settings, right? As you can see, there are no delete buttons. Edit. You can just go ahead and customize it. Okay. But no delete button. Now to delete it, you can just easily click on it. All right. Make sure that it is highlighted. Right click. And as you can see here, either you press delete on your keyboard or just click on delete right here. That's basically how you do it. That's how you remove the quick action bar here in Wix. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.